Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix unstable connection error on to server in Locket app. If you're getting this error when trying to log in or load photos, it's usually a network or session issue. Here's the quick way to fix it step by step. First, switching between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to rule out any network issues that you have. Next, what you're gonna do is swipe from the bottom of your screen and then find the Locket app and then swipe it away. Now, again, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings app, and then you're going to clear Safari's cookies. So go to Safari and then scroll down. After that, click on Clear History and Website Data, then confirm. Locket uses Safari's background sessions, and clearing them often fixes server connection issues. Next, what you're gonna do is restart your phone, press and hold the power volume button, slides the power off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This resets background network process that can block the app's connections. Now, open your app store, search for Locket Widget, and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if you are using a VPN, turn it off. Some VPNs or firewalls can block Locket servers and trigger this error. Now, privacy tip: only connect through the official Locket and avoid using the third party tools or links that claim to fix server issues. They can compromise your data. And quick fix: if it's still not connecting, remove and re-add the Locket widget, then reopen the app and log out. Clear all Safari cookies again and log back in. If the error persists, check Locket's official social media. The servers may be temporarily down. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.